Hello, this is Aneta, the owner of Cross-Stitch, the Gothic cross-stitch pattern store from Austria. Based in Austria. I am not from Austria, I am from Polska. I am recording a short new video because today, on the 1st of June, International Children's Day, Dzień Dziecka, the first ever cross-stitch stitchalong of Cross-Stitch Vienna is on sale. I launched the sale today for everyone. The pre-sale for tier 2 was running since mid-May. So right now you can buy the stitch-along whether or not you're a customer of Cross-Stitch Vienna, and join me for a summer of exploration of the Slavic folk traditions surrounding after the harvest. I am very, very, very excited. So when you buy the stitch along, the first part is the frame, which I myself am just finishing. I tested it on a white Aida and I then settled on the rustic Aida because I think it's going to look particularly interesting, especially considering the theme of the stitch along, which is folk, rustic countryside traditions that are still sometimes practiced in different corners of the Slavic nations, usually more in the countryside than in the cities, although there are some exceptions. So the frame is being finished today. I only have this top part to finish and then some orange around the frame, and I will be done. So I'll take some photos to post on my socials. So that was that. That's all I wanted to say. I have to go make dinner because I'm going to the cinema later. See ya. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stick around. If you have any questions about the stitch along, you can drop them in the comments and I will get to them when I can. Bye!